Hello again. Now we are down in Rådhusplassen in Norwegian, or City Hall Place. I'm gonna tell you about some famous places about this place, like Akershus Fort, Nobel Peace Center, and Aker Brygge in Norwegian, or Aker Brew in English. But first we're gonna tell you little about what happened here in August 1998. Like I said, in 1998, flight 23 years old, Bjarte Benson, a stolen airplane, and he did not have license to fly airplane between the towers here at the City Hall, downtown in Oslo Centrum. He was away from the police more than 15 years. And now we're going to go over to Aker Brew. Akershus Fort, the first building there, was a rich family that had. Then it was a prison, and after that it became a fort after it was attacked from another Norwegian. It was the only prison in Oslo in that time. They say that is more than 100 ghosts who live in that place today. I will come back to these stories in a later movie. And now over to the story why so many tourists believe that we have polar bear in Norway. In 1953, a polar bear ran away from the boat in Vågen, Bergen. And the story around the world, it was that it was swimming from Svalbard to Norway. That is a myth. Thank you for following me, and to the next time, have a nice day.